So, if you're looking for a basic, no-nonsense, dermatologist-approved cleanser that focuses on skin health rather than harsh cleansing, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is a great option. It may not feel fancy or foamy, but sometimes simple is exactly what your skin needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest skincare reviews and dermatologist-backed advice. Comment below and tell me your skin type and whether Cetaphil worked for you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your skin. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is known for its soap-free, fragrance-free, and non-irritating formula. Unlike harsh face washes that foam a lot and strip the skin, this cleanser focuses on maintaining the skin barrier. That's the biggest reason dermatologists recommend it for sensitive and compromised skin. One of the key things about this cleanser is that it contains hydrating ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, and niacinamide. These ingredients help attract moisture and calm the skin while cleansing. This means your skin feels soft and comfortable after washing, not stretched or dry. This cleanser is ideal for people with dry skin, sensitive skin, eczema-prone skin, rosacea-prone skin, or skin that is undergoing treatments like retinol, chemical peels, or acne medications. It cleanses without disturbing the skin's natural pH, which is extremely important for long-term skin health. Another unique feature is that Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser can be used with or without water. You can massage it onto the skin and wipe it off with a soft cloth or cotton pad, which makes it great for people with extremely sensitive or inflamed skin. However, this cleanser is very gentle, and that can also be a downside for some people. If you have very oily or acne-prone skin, you may feel that it doesn't cleanse deeply enough, especially if you wear heavy sunscreen or makeup. In that case, you might need a double cleanse or a slightly stronger cleanser at night. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is non-comedogenic, meaning it does not clog pores, and it can be used safely twice daily. It's suitable for teenagers, adults, and even people with medically sensitive skin. To use it correctly, take a small amount, gently massage it onto damp skin for about 30 seconds, rinse with lukewarm water, and immediately follow with a moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. If you have sensitive skin and feel like every face wash leaves your skin tight, dry, or irritated, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about one of the most trusted and dermatologist-recommended cleansers worldwide, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This product has been around for decades and is often called a safe cleanser for almost everyone. But is it really worth the hype? Who should use it and who should not? Let's break it down in detail.